Hi everyone, I'm Cornelius Gio Empangdian from BHPH1D, and today I will be sharing my insights from a study called When Procedures Meets Practice in Community Pharmacies by Christian Thomas and et al. The research looks at something really important. Even though pharmacists have official procedures, what actually happens day to day can be very different. The biggest question asked in the research is, how do pharmacists and their support teams really work with these procedures in practice? This matters because understanding the gap between what's written and what's done can help improve patient care and pharmacy operations. To explore this, the researchers used semi-structured interviews and focus groups with pharmacists and support staff working in real community pharmacies. Their methods gathered honest stories about how people follow or sometimes adapt official rules when things get busy. After collecting the conversations, they used thematic analysis to spot common trends and key insights across different pharmacies. What they found was really interesting. Most staff knew procedures well, but they often had to deal with time pressure, heavy workloads, and pharmacy needs. Experiencing and good judgment sometimes took priority over strict rule following. Also, the overall team culture in the pharmacy, whether people felt supported or stressed, really shaped how closely procedures were followed. So what does this mean for the research? The study shows that pharmacies' procedures needs to be more flexible. They should reflect the real-life challenges that staff face every day. Training should not only be focused on rules, but also encourage critical thinking and adaptability. In short, a balance between following the book and smart decision-making can lead to safer, more effective pharmacy practices moving forward. Their conclusion is, organizational resilience in community pharmacy was apparent, and findings from this study should help to inform policymakers and practitioners regarding factors likely to influence the implementation of procedures in community pharmacy settings. Future research should focus on exploring community pharmacies' employees' intentions and attitudes towards rule-breaking behavior and the impact this may have on patient safety. That's all for my thesis, and thank you so much for listening. Adelante.